Ever wondered what exactly goes into a real estate contract? That's the mystery we're about to unravel today. Picture a labyrinthine network of clauses, terms, and legal jargon, all condensed into a few sheets of paper that essentially hold the power to make or break a deal. That, in essence, is a real estate contract. At first glance, these contracts might seem intimidating, but fear not. Today, the labyrinth becomes a straight path, and the complex jargon transforms into simple language. Welcome to the world of real estate contracts decoded. Let's begin with the offer. An offer is a formal proposal to purchase a property at a specified price. Once the seller accepts the offer, it becomes legally binding. Remember though, an accepted offer is not a closed deal. There are contingencies to consider. Contingencies, the next term on our list, are conditions that must be met before the sale can close. Think of them as the safety nets of a real estate contract. They can range from financing and inspection contingencies to the less common ones like sale and leaseback contingencies. Moving on to the earnest money deposit. This is a good faith deposit made by the buyer, showing they're serious about purchasing. It typically ranges from 1 to 3% of the home's purchase price. If the deal falls through due to a contingency, this deposit is usually refundable. Next, we delve into closing costs. These are expenses over and above the property price that buyers and sellers incur to complete a real estate transaction. They cover a multitude of fees, from loan origination and appraisal fees to home inspections and title insurance. Now let's touch upon escrow. This is a secure holding area where all the important items like the earnest money, the deed, and the signed contract are kept safe until the deal closes. The closing. This is the final step in a real estate transaction. It's the day when the ownership of the property is transferred from the seller to the buyer and the keys are handed over. While we've unpacked the basics of a real estate contract, it's crucial to remember to always seek legal advice before signing any such contract. Navigating the legalities of real estate transactions can be complex, and the risks of signing a contract without fully understanding it are high. A lawyer or legal advisor can help clarify any confusing terms, identify potential issues, and ensure your interests are protected. Remember, a real estate contract is a legally binding document. Make sure you understand every clause before you sign. It's not just about knowing the jargon, it's about understanding the implications. In summary, a real estate contract is a legally binding agreement between a buyer and a seller. It outlines the terms and conditions of the property sale, including the purchase price, contingencies, earnest money deposit, closing costs, escrow, and closing. Remember, understanding these key terms is the first step towards navigating the labyrinth of a real estate contract. They can be your compass, guiding you through the complexities and legalities involved in buying or selling a property. So the next time you come across a real estate contract, don't let the jargon intimidate you. Embrace it, understand it, and use it to your advantage. Because now, you have the decoder to this real estate puzzle. This is your realtor Fran Lucci. See you on the next video.